All right, the painting is done. We weren't able to do too much videoing of the project because while my wife was working on that, we were looking at how to run 220 into the garage. And while we were looking at that, we discovered that the gas hose to our oven range was kinked and wasn't allowing enough gas through it. So we ended up having to problem solve that and a couple trips to the hardware store, but it's all done. So my next project, which is an easy project, is getting all my equipment organized onto a shelf. And I got this stainless steel wire shelving off Amazon and some mats to put on the grates and some hooks. So let's see how this goes. Well, it's been a couple busy weekends and we got a lot of work done, including the spackling, the painting, the organization, and the storage rack. And I have a pretty good idea of where everything should be for the time being, but when you're brewing, you want to make sure you have a good workflow. And from my previous garage to this garage, I think I have a pretty good setup. It's been fun figuring out new ways to organize, and yeah, I'm just excited to brew. So next two big things, which I've talked about previously, is getting an electrical contractor out here, which he came by this weekend and he has a good idea, so we're just waiting for his schedule to clear up so he can start on that. And then I've just started the process of trying to find a plumber and going from there. So we're really close, guys, and we'll be brewing. But one thing I noticed, a lot of my equipment's been in boxes for two or 3 months. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna do some deep cleaning on all the brewery equipment, probably put all new gaskets on all the different ports on not only the brew kettles, but also on my unit tank, get those all cleaned up. And yeah, I'll have plenty to do, but for the time being, I'm just gonna have to use buckets of water and a water hose, but that's okay, because it's brewing, and if they did it a long time ago, then I have no complaints. So cheers, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.